To know members
Family.
of the family. Who's this one?
Daddy P.
Daddy. This one?
Mommy P.
Mommy. This one?
Kuya.
This one?
Ate.
This one?
Baby.
Baby. Who told you? Who teach you this one?
Family.
Family members of the family. What is your name?
Family. Hydra.
How old are you?
I Leo.
Very good. What is the name of your mama?
Mama Chick.
What is the name of your papa?
Papa Buyay.
What is the name of your ate?
Ate Kilay.
Ate Kelay. What is the name of your kuyas?
Kuya.
Kuna, Biboy. Kuya Biboy o Kuya Rainy?
Kuya B-Boy.
And?
Kuya Tiny.
Very good. Clap your hands. Yeah. Are you ready Are you ready going to school?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yay.